What's up, guys? And welcome to KimmoTube.Official. For is see and look that old classic movie name is Airplane.
Stand by.
Finnish name is Lennetään.
Ever swept up into high adventure.
Hey Larry, where's the forklift? Forklift! It's over there with the baggage loader.
That movie
Airplane.
is many
Airplane.
are great.
Drama.
This is Dr. Brody at the Mayo Clinic. There's a passenger on your Chicago flight 209, or a little girl named Lisa Davis.
Actors.
She's scheduled for a heart transplant. I want you to make sure that she's kept in a reclined position and that a continuous watch is kept on her IV.
Airplane is action. Airplane is romance.
I love you, Elaine.
Airplane is music.
There is only one river, there is only one sea.
Airplane is dancing. Never has the screen been so big.
You ever been in a cockpit before?
No, sir, I've never been up in a plane before.
Peter Gray.
And remember, come
Oh man, naked.
hit the like button my YouTube channel and all subscribe my YouTube channel.
Nielsen.
This woman has to be gotten to a hospital.
I need more
It's a big building with patients. That's not important, right?
subscribe my YouTube channel.
This? What, a cap? Or a brooch? A pterodactyl?
Robert Stack.
All right, Steve, let's face a few facts.
And we hope you enjoy the rest of your flight.
Julie Haggerty.
By the way, is there anyone on board who knows how to fly a plane?
Can you fly this plane and land it?
Robert Hayes.
Surely you can't be serious. I am serious.
That movie
Surely.
actors also Leslie Nielsen.
Dad, get a hold of yourself!
Calm down, now get back to your seat. I'll take care of this. Calm down, get a hold of yourself.
Don't be one of them. Everything's been told.
Handle this.
Mayday! Mayday!
That movie is so
The most incredible adventure the screen has ever
funny,
created.
crazy funny movie.
The big news is Airplane.